I don't want this to be another travel video. I want this to be something much bigger than that.
So I don't have a lot of followers on social media, but I'm constantly overcoming the generalization that in order to travel the world as a content creator, you have to be famous on the internet. I want to reveal more about who I am and what I do in my videos, because a lot of you don't know who I am behind the lens. First, let's look back at what 2018's been like so far. So New Year's was spent in California, where my friend Sean and I hitchhiked the coast with our surfboards. I then spent the rest of January making the most of summer in Cape Town. February was spent in the Congo, where I filmed a massive music festival. I also filmed for a travel agency where we did some unreal expeditions, like sleeping on top of the largest lava lake in the world. In March, I traveled across Namibia and Botswana filming for a mining company. This trip allowed me to see some of the largest sand dunes in the world. Hold on, this was only the first couple months of the year. Wait until I tell you how I've done this. In April, I bought a last-minute ticket to Brazil. I explored the southern coast and of course spent some time in the beautiful city of Rio de Janeiro. After that, it was straight back to Africa, where I filmed a 3,000-kilometer surf expedition on Angola's barren coastline. Which leads me to where I am right now, speaking to you guys from the beautiful city of Cape Town, South Africa. I don't get that many views on my videos. I don't have that many followers either. So how do I make up for this? One word: hustle. I send email proposals to as many clients as I can in the hopes that 1 out of 50 might say yes. Sometimes I get paid, sometimes only the trip is covered for. In this field of work, perseverance and rejection work hand in hand to get you the job of your dreams. I could lie to you and tell you it's a glamorous life, but the reality is, it's not about the fame or getting the followers. At the end of the day, the call to adventure overcomes the will to live comfortably. It's the times that built you into the person you are today, the miles you've traveled, the people you've met, and the one hell of a time you had.
Elephants on the road, so you have to wait a little bit.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I spent a lot of time on it. If you enjoyed it, hit the like or subscribe button. I can't wait to show you guys what's next.